What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? So it's currently Wednesday, the 23rd. Yeah, 23rd. And today I'm gonna go look at some cars for me. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, so right now I'm leaving to go look at some cars. Make sure I have this with me because otherwise that would really suck. And no, it's not a vape. It is a portable charger. Oh, there's a squirrel. I don't have mine because mine broke. I had the exact same one, like this, the little micro USB. The little casing that it comes with, like, fell inside of the whole charger itself. So, oops. So here's this Cobalt that I was talking about. It's a 2007. Honestly, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour since it's only a 2007. I mean, it ain't bad. So. Not bad for a 2007 little bucket seats in the back. You have to manually recline it. Adjustable headrest. Honestly, the back seat has a lot of room, and so does the. I will do a review if I do get this car. It's like startup, not foldable seat. Headrests don't come down with it, which is awkward, but I've never seen that. Very roomy. No thigh support, which really does depress. Vents, you know, casual Cobalt vent. Pretty nice car. Stopped over at a Burlington to go look at coats, so I'm randomly in the girls section. I don't know why. Oh wait. So I'm randomly in the girls section, and I've came to the conclusion that I'm pretty sure that I will be purchasing this car today. So we stopped at a McDonald's, and I am with this loser. Expresses me 24/7 in my brain. Actually, we're over near the highway right now looking at a red one. I kind of like this one too. I mean, it's got the same. But now it's time to go test drive. Okay, guys, it's currently 5:17. I'm going to show you the car that I'm working with. Okay, so I haven't really showed you this one, but that gray one had, like, they used brake fluid to clean the seats. And yeah, I'm not working with that, but here's the other one. Let me turn on my light. Okay, so I got 95,000 miles, and it's a 2010. Very clean. Couple stains on the seats, adjustable headrest. Dome light cuts out really slow too. Let's listen.
And it's the night to go to the bars. It's even more popular than.
Sorry for the wind noise. This one also has a spoiler. So that's it. It's an LT. Oh my god, guys, I am so happy. Like, you have no idea. I have my own fucking car now. Holy mother. Dude, you know how happy I am. I'm like crying almost. Like, it's so bad. I'm so happy. So I wasn't really able to show you, but I guess you just got their first car. Right now I'm gonna go outside because it's only 9. I'll show you the car. Actually, it's 10 o'clock, but it's 9:55, so it's 9.